In today's chapter is matter around us pure. We are going to study about the matter and in groups which it is divided like pure and mixture substances and the types of mixtures. So let's start. Today we are starting the second chapter of class 9 CBSE board is matter around us pure. Okay, good morning to everybody. The is matter around us pure. We have already completed that matter in our surroundings, in which in detail we have studied about matter and their states. Now we are going to study about their properties, how they exist in nature, and how we can recognize them in different categories. So the first topic, again we start with the matter. That matter is divided into two kind of substances. One is pure, second is mixture. So what is pure and mixture? For a common person, like if you go to the market and you buy any substance, like you buy the milk, and somebody asks you that is milk is pure, then you ask the question to the shopkeeper and he says yes, it is pure already, and you check that purity is also good by any means, then you consider it as a pure. But in science we don't consider pure by the substance which is not having any adulteration. What is pure and what is mixture? Pure substances are those which are made up of only one type of particle, or you can say they have identical chemical nature, because the particles are same, so their chemical nature should be identical. Whereas mixture is the combination of different substances, different pure substances, you can say. Like if we study some example, like what is pure substance, you say, and what is mixture? First of all, we see the mixture so that the topic will be clear. Like milk is not a pure substance, it is a mixture. Soil which we see around us, the soil we see it is uniformly spread and it looks similar, but no, it is a mixture. Air is also considered as mixture. Minerals which are obtained to get metals and non-metals and other important substances are mixtures. Then what are pure substances? Like oxygen gas, hydrogen gas, nitrogen gas, means the special gases. Air is not a pure substance, but in air the gases which are present, those are pure substances. Now I think you can easily recognize why air is not pure, because air consists of oxygen gas also, hydrogen gas also, nitrogen also, carbon dioxide also, and other gases. Dust, impure substances, harmful substances. So air is a mixture. But in air, the oxygen gas, when we talk about oxygen gas, then we only consider O2, oxygen. In that oxygen, no nitrogen will be there, no hydrogen will be there, only oxygen. So this is a pure substance, whereas air is a mixture. Similarly, like milk. So people will ask that question, that how milk is considered as a mixture, because milk contains proteins. This you must have known, na? Now you understood my concept. That milk, how? Because it contains proteins, carbohydrates, fats, lactic acid, means all these are there in the milk. So it is a mixture, not a pure substance. Similarly, soil contains many minerals in it. Soil contains many metals, non-metals, compounds in it. Soil contains water in it, and some impure, or you can say waste substances also. Clear? I hope now pure and mixtures are clear. Let's study in more detail that what are mixtures. So we can say that mixtures are the combination of many pure substances, and these pure substances can be separated by physical process easily. Like for example, soft drink, very common example. Soft drink, generally people use it. So soft drink is a pure substance or a mixture? Now you say I am taking pure soft drink, but it is a mixture. Why it is pure? Because it is not having any adulteration, but it is not pure substance, it is a mixture. How? Because it consists of water, sugar, and dissolved carbon dioxide. As you open up the bottle of soft drink, you see that some bubbles come out. Those bubbles are of carbon dioxide which are dissolved by high pressure, and water is there, and sugary taste, that sweet taste you get, that is because of some sugar and some other compounds which are added. If you try to separate them, you can easily separate them by evaporation and by other methods. So these are, we can separate the mixture, means pure substances can be obtained separately by physical processes. Now the pure substances and mixture, very common, very important point about these. So from till now studies, we know that mixtures contain so many substances, so they do not have a fixed chemical formula. Whereas pure substances, because they are having pure atoms of one type only, so they have a chemical formula. So this is the basic difference between mixtures and pure substances.